What's swinging, gang? What's swinging, Autolust gang? So I'm gonna keep it all the way G with y'all. I'm gonna, no cap. My mechanic, Ken's Automotive, he came down with the coronavirus. We were supposed to be getting everything stripped off the X6M to get it ready for stage 2 turbos, methanol injection, built reactors and all of that good stuff. So he came down with the COVID, so we gotta pretty much pause on that. But for a lot of guys and girls who've been watching the channel, who've been really interested in the X5 35i, we finna get right back on it.
Perfect.
Alright gang, first new mod to come in for the 35i X5. Let y'all get a real good look at it. And this is OEM. This is from BMW. There's the part number right here in the BMW sign. I'm gonna have links for all of this stuff and how you guys can do this mod. But let me give you a little backstory on this. This dual intake here comes off of an X5 diesel. The diesels have the dual intakes here that goes into one. And I'm gonna show you guys. Let me get in this truck right quick. And I'm gonna show you guys what comes on the truck, just in case you don't know. Alright, so what comes on the truck? Sorry, the engine bay is super dirty. I really haven't been taking care of the car a lot, the truck a lot, so I'm gonna clean the engine bay up a little bit. But anyway, let's get back to the power mods. So this is the intake it comes with, and it has an extra spot here. You can pop that right off, and you see, if you look all the way down there, you can see my fingers all the way through there, because it sucks cold air right up through the front grill, and it goes right into the intake box. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how that fits on there. This time I want to give a special shout out to Tony's X5. That's his Instagram channel. I'm gonna put a little screenshot up here and a link down in the description. But if it wasn't for Tony, I wouldn't even know about this mod. I wouldn't have had the knowledge to research it or to even go after it. So I would like to especially thank Tony for, coming in, taking the time out to come in my inbox to let me know about a mod that I probably would have never found, and one that I love. I'm ecstatic about putting it on the car. So thank you very much, Tony. And there's also a piece that I'm missing that goes with this. And once that piece comes in, it's a silicone hose. I'm gonna put, like I told you guys, I'm gonna put the links for everything you're gonna need to do this mod to your 35i in the description. But it pretty much sits on there like that. That side plugs into there. This side pops up and plugs into there. I'm gonna buy me a new K&N sticker, because I'm not using the K&N filter right now. I'm using the factory filter. But when I pop this back in, when I pop this baby in right here, I will be putting the K&N high flow filter back on. And if you're not familiar with this car, it has full bolt-ons pretty much. Charge pipe here. If you can see down there, I don't know if you can see it or not down there. It's pretty dark, but it has the upgraded front mount intercooler, catless down pipes, BMS, anodized aluminum, oil filter cap. Pretty much full bolt-ons you can do besides methanol injection and turbo, which is definitely coming. Yeah, but to make this work, and what I've heard, which we definitely gonna test, guys, is I've heard that you can hear so much more turbo noise with this dual intake. I don't know how that's supposed to work, but we finna find out. So the part that I'm waiting on is, as you can see, I'm gonna show you here. You see where this dual intake stops? this factory intake doesn't stop all the way until it gets here. You know, I could modify this and make it work, you know, because it's about the same width. It's about, let me see here. Yeah, it's about the same width. I could modify that and make it work, but I don't want to like chop into a good piece of plastic that comes from the factory. So what I'm waiting on is a piece of silicone coupling pipe. It's about 4 inches in diameter and about 8 inches long. You know, and you're gonna need some Jubilee clamps on each side once it comes in, but you have to order it from Australia. I ordered it a couple of days ago, and I don't know if it shipped out or not. I gotta check that out, but like I told you, the links for that is gonna be in the down in the description, and this is gonna fit anybody with an X5. You know, and if you have an older X5 like an E71 or something like that, an E-Series X5, they also, I'm gonna put the link for the older model of this dual intake here, because it fits that model, because this one is made for the F15, F16. You know, the other model is made for the E71, I think E72, the other one. I'm gonna put both links down in the description, but the coupler, silicone coupler, fit both of them. So yeah, I can't wait to get this thing on to see exactly what it does. And I'm gonna show you guys a couple of pictures right here of other cars that have this mod already done to it. And I mean, these guys have them painted up and everything. And right here, I have some old paint from the 650, the Atlantis blue paint. And it's definitely enough to paint that. And the reason I'm gonna paint that with the Atlantis blue paint is because I already have the blue anodized oil cap filter there, and it's gonna look good in here with that extra blue, you know, and it sits all the way up here on the radiator shroud and goes all the way back. I don't know why my hood right here is hitting this, but hopefully it doesn't hit when I put the new one in. I gotta find out why that's hitting. Maybe something is out of adjustment, like the hood or something, but it's definitely hitting right here because that's white paint, and you can see the paint is missing right there. So I'm gonna definitely get that fixed. But yeah, I'm gonna put that picture up, those pictures up, so you guys can see exactly what it looks like on the car. And I'm definitely gonna use this to paint that. And yeah, I know we haven't taken the X5 to the track yet, but I will be going to the drag strip with the X5, just like I did with the X6, and see what it does at the drag strip, you know, before the methanol and turbo gets on the X5 as well. So I don't know when Kenny's gonna be back to work, but as long as he's out, I'm gonna keep doing mods and working with the X5 and some stuff with the M6. But I mean, I'm pretty much stuck in the water until Kenny gets better. So, you know, I mean, I really appreciate you guys rocking with me and sticking with me while I get these very extremely expensive mods together. You know, like I said, my channel isn't monetized, so all of this stuff is coming directly out of my pocket. So please like, share, and subscribe to the content, and out of Lust Out.